This is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We're at 109 Session Street, Berlin, New Hampshire. Just opened up the sewer line with our sectional machine. Some roots, some sagging out there. We are 59 feet where the city tie-in is. That looks to be in decent shape here. So we're going to head back towards the building, which the cleanout is located in the front, kind of right-hand corner of the building, in front of the furnace. Got water running through there now to keep the sewer heat down because it's cold outside for this time of year. Keep the lens from steaming up. It is the old original clay. Looks like some stress fractures right there. 54 feet. Yep, we got some breaking going on right there. That could have been that way for a long time. Down there at the bottom, you see that water cascading through that crack. That's going to wash underneath there and cause a void, a sinkhole, cause that pipe to fall even more. I'm going to turn. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Which looks okay right there. Right there is a little bit of offset with water running underneath the joint. That will cause that to form a sinkhole, a void, and cause that section to drop. Seems pretty decent right there, not as bad. Not too bad there. So we're coming in at 39 feet, and there's been an SDR 35 patch put inside this pipe, so there's been some repair. This is probably near the road area. And that appears to be pretty decent. A little bit of root in that pipe. This section looks pretty good. That section looks pretty good. Right there, starting to offset a little bit underneath there. You can see more where that water's shooting over it. It has to jump over it. So it looks like half that water is going under the ground. So same thing with that area. That'll eventually compromise that pipe with a sinkhole, causing that pipe to drop. That section's not too bad. Bad. And that section is not looking very good right there. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to break apart in this area here. Roots are tearing this part of the pipe and probably underneath the wall at 24 feet here. Definitely looks like stress. So that's going to be an issue there. Yeah, it's definitely cracking going on there. There we go, we're coming up. See where that water's dropping down. Some offsetting going on in that pipe right there. It's starting to pull apart. That's definitely near the wall area. Offset a little bit here at this joint. Some of that water's going underneath there. Same will cause a sinkhole and void and eventually cause that pipe to drop. Looks like some stress fracturing right here. 9 feet out. A little bit of grease buildup. And then here, it's running kind of flat. Right here, we're going underwater. This pipe is slightly sagged. To the cast iron, definitely old and original. Until it's round, I just don't know how thick it is anymore. So far that looks okay there. That's hose we had down there to help flush the pipe out. There's a Y connection here. There is a high amount of steep drop. That pipe that's over pitched. That concludes the cleaning and the inspection.